You are watching channel Ahmad Kamal Holiday. Today we are talking about safety awareness review. Due to the car tires have to be replaced after use for years. Thank you for your attention. Today I would like to invite viewers to view car tire after 4 years of use, because the manufacturer's recommendation, the car tires are used for up to 4 years of the production. So it is written on the tires when the tire were produced. For example, 2016, it means the tire were produced in the 20th week of 2016. If reads, this means the rubber wires and the steel bell wire have become brittle. The condition come to the tire, or this condition causes the tire to burst. Okay. Now, I would like to show you tire condition after 4 years use. Okay. See here, after 4 years use, 4 years of whatever, 4 years. The tire is see. I will show you the beers here. The beers already, because the retention is run off, so the tire become beer. Oh, so this is the problem. So this is the problem after 4 years use. The retention is run off and the tire become beer. So it is not recommended, or you call it unsafe. But another point is I can show you that this tire is still okay or not. See here. I'll to show you here that the producer of the tire is here. C 11. What do you call 11? 7111. Okay. So this is 4111. So 4111, it means weeks 41 10 2011. So it is already too long to use. So this means the wire is brittle, and also the rubber is brittle. So it can get the tire is bursting. So this is the problem. So I will show another tire. Okay. This tire, okay, this tire use of produce is C 1017. Okay, 1017. It means in weeks 10 on 2017. So it is 4 years already. So this is not recommend to use, because due to years of product is more than 10 years. And also we can can show you here also the detention is already almost run off and become the tire is we call beers, so this is also not good to use anymore. So this is the problem of the tire. Now the second tire, I will show another tire. Okay, here I will show the tire number third. Can see here 2516. 2516. It means weeks 25 into 2016. So already 5 years. So recommendation 4 years. Now already more. Then see the detention. Detention also is almost run off and the tire get wear. So it's not recommend after 4 years. Okay, so I'll show you another tire. Okay, here also show you this years of product. So week for 2040-16. 2040-16 is mean weeks 24 2016 expire already. So what's our conclusion for you also? This the tire also is already, you know, the detention already run off and the tire get beer, so it's not recommend after 4 years. So I would say 4 of tire is already not recommend to use anymore after I use this 4 years and some in more. So what I would like to tell you here, the tire after we use 4 years is recommended by the manufacturer. Tire use 4 years. If more, the rubber, tire rubber, and the steel belt inside is already brittle. If the brittle, you can get bursting. I have experienced one day is bursting. It's tears here. So finish all no more. It's plenty flat already. So it's puncture immediately. So this is what I review today. Is actually I would like to say yes, this is not recommended after use 4 years. Okay, due to the date of product and due to the condition of tire. So this is the condition cause the tire to burst. Then so I show you already the fact, yeah, the tire are bare. Okay, since the indentation on the tire is run off, and this product is reach 4 years. Yesterday I have replaced. I replaced already yesterday 4 of car tires. Here I show you the condition of the tire already. Okay. The conclusion of this review is after 4 years of use, car tires are recommended to be replaced immediately to avoid the tires bursting due to the safety awareness. Okay, safety awareness. It is dangerous to use this. So that's why I do myself. I replace yesterday already for tire. Okay, car tire pressure. Okay, car tire pressure also have to follow car recommended. It's different for every car. So, for example, I use car Toyota Innova to 2005. Then the tire pressure recommendation is 230 kPa or 33 psi. Okay, 33 psi. Can be seen beside the driver's seat actually on the car. Okay, 33 psi for smooth road condition, but for the bad road condition we have to reduce 10%, so it becomes 30 psi. Because driving comfort also depend on the size of the tire pressure that we adjusted. So this is my recommendation. So after 4 years, not recommended to use anymore. So this is what I would like to inform you regarding the tire. So please follow the safety awareness. Otherwise, we are in dangerous situation. Then also the compatible of driving depend on the pressure. Pressure. It's a smooth road, 33 psi. If bad road, less than percent or 30 psi. I use 30 psi. So I will see you and another point. So I would like to say thank for watching. Then I will come for more detail. I will show you this recommended one. I'll show you on the video in detail. Okay. Thanks. Bye bye. Okay, viewers, this is the tire pressure recommendation by manufacturers. Is smooth road is 230 kPa or 33 psi, and the bad road less 10%, so it could be 30 psi. So this recommendation. The next is the processing of tire replacement by the store. Yesterday, the people they buying replacement of for my car for tire. So this is for another information so far. Okay, viewers, this is the car I used, the Toyota Innova 2005 that I replaced yesterday 4 of tire. So now you can see another tire. Already new tire. See the indentation is still okay. See, it's new tire. Very important, and there's the size. 205, that's 65 R15. So this is the rim is 15. So this is the new one, but the years of product cannot see in the, we can see on the other side. Okay, let's see this one. So the same yesterday, I replace size 205, that's 65 R15. Now you can see that the years of produce, you can see here 20, let's say 20 to 21, yes, It meaning it's produced weeks of 22 and years of 2021. So this is the new tire replaced yesterday. See the indentation is okay. So this is a new tire for front. I show you at the back side. Okay, the back side indentation is still okay. Size okay, 2005 dash 65 R15. Very important to know is when this tire is produced. Okay. Same here. Time is this produce is see 21. This one 21. Weeks 21 for 2021. This is a very new produce. Okay. So this is I would like to show you. Hi guys, safety awareness review telling us the tire after use 4 years it must be replaced. It's recommended because it's very dangerous to use that because anytime the tire can be bursting. It's dangerous, unsafe. Okay, thank you for your attention. Bye bye.